If you're on a budget but need a pro-level scan tool, the Phoenix Lite 2 is for you. The Phoenix Lite 2 runs a smooth and stable operation with its high-quality hardware, such as a 2.0 GHz CPU, 8-inch LCD screen, and 8-megapixel camera. The 12,600 mAh battery has up to 24 hours of battery life with the screen on. It allows the customers to dig deep into all systems, including engine, transmission, airbag, ABS, ESP, and TPMS for more than 200 vehicle models. Automatically identify vehicle information such as make, model, and year of manufacture to diagnose and repair vehicles faster. With the BT Mobile Pro S compatibility, you can turn the Phoenix Lite 2 into a high-tech battery testing tool that provides incredibly detailed battery tests and shares them with customers. Topdon offers our customers 2 years of free software updates, allowing the customers always to get the most features and best experience with one click. The Phoenix Lite 2, the next-gen compact pro scanner.